Northern Health is reporting 4 confirmed cases of whooping cough in the region. In all 4 cases, the affected individuals were not immunized. Whooping cough starts as a cold that progresses into a cough. If untreated, it can be highly dangerous for the young.
It affects all ages, but it's very severe in children under 1 year. It can be so severe that some lives are lost. And then women who are in the 3rd trimester, but it's not really for them, it's for their children that will come out. We want to save them because they'll be young and they cannot take it very well. So our objective for controlling pertussis is to get these high-risk individuals protected by vaccination before it comes around.